In today's video, I have CORA full cover nail tips. These ones are gel tips. And as you know guys, if you watch my videos before, I love full cover nail tips, especially when they are made of gel. Thank you to them for sending these items to me. As well, they sent me a nail glue and a nail glue remover. As well, a gel adhesive, the one that is used to apply full cover nail tips on the UV lamp. So let's go ahead and unbox all these items. As an unboxing, I see here on the label that these nail tips are available up to 12 different sizes. And that's great because for sure we need more options. I wanted to mention as well that this is a press-on nail company, and I was checking their website and they have amazing nail designs as well. To start, we have the medium square, and this box has sizes 0 to 11. These nails come already pre-buffed. That's one step less that we have to worry about. And as you can see here, the shape is so nice. And they are more sturdy towards the free edge and more flexible towards the cuticle area. And that's what we need on a full cover nail tip. Next we have the long coffin. This box as well has sizes from 0 to 11. And you can see the length here is not too bad, it's nice. As well, they come pre-buff. And again, they are more sturdy towards the free edge and more flexible towards the cuticle area. And I'm gonna be doing the bending test because they advertise that these nails are ultra thin and there is no creases. And you can see here how much you can bend these nails and they still no creasing and then going back into place like nothing. So definitely these are very high quality soft gel nail tips. Next we have the medium almond, and these sizes are again from 0 to 11. As well, they come pre-buffed like the other nail tips. Let's move on to the stiletto shape. These ones are again from sizes 0 to 11. They come pre-buffed like the other ones. And I really like the stiletto shape, it's so nice. And don't forget to use my discount code, guys. It's a 20% off directly from the brand link. I'm gonna be adding all these details on the description box below, so don't miss out. These ones are the extra short square, and these ones come on a strip, and the sizes are from 0 to 11. And these nails are so cute, guys. As you can see here, they're so cute and short. They come pre-buff as well, and I removed one nail because I was testing then, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this one or the long ones for today's video. And as well, they are flexible towards the cuticle area and sturdy towards the tiny free edge here. They're so cute. Next, we have the extra short almond. These nails come pre-buffed already from the inside and from the outside as well. That's very good to have as well, so let's work for us. And the sizes are from 0 to 11, plus they have some extra 3 sizes added at the end of the strip. And as you can see here, the length is really cute as well. For some above that don't like super long nails and like to be comfortable, this is a very good length. At the end of the strip, you can see the extra sizes that they added, and instead of number, they name it ABC. And last for the tips, we have the short coffin, and this one comes as well on strips. Again, these ones are completely pre-buff on the inside and the outside, which is very nice. And this length is very cute as well. And as well, as you can see here at the end, the ABC extra sizes that they added. Next, I have the gel adhesive. And this gel adhesive is 8-in-1 according to the description. The consistency of this gel is really thick, so that will give you plenty of time to work and push it around inside the nail tip before you apply it onto the nail. Next, I have the nail glue and the nail glue remover. It comes in this little baggie here, and it has the instructions and 2 orange sticks. These are the tips I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna go ahead and pick my sizes. When I'm picking my sizes, I like to make sure that the nail tips fit me from sidewall to sidewall. That will be the widest part of my nail. And as well, I like to customize the nail tips around my cuticle area because I get a better finish that way. And that's what I'm doing right now here. Then I'm going to complete this step and choose the rest of the nails. Now I'm gonna do some prep to my natural nails, and I'm using a Hansen cuticle remover. I'm just going to apply this to all the cuticle areas and let it rest for about 15 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and push the cuticles. I'm gonna finish by reshaping my natural nails and buffing the shine from the natural nail as well, because the drier the natural nail, the better adhesion that we will get. Today I'm going to be adding as well a primer and dehydrator. The dehydrator will make sure that my nails again are extra dry and have no oils left on the nail plate. And if you don't have a dehydrator on hand, you can always use as well 100% acetone for this. This product needs to air dry for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply the primer, and it needs as well 30 seconds air dry. I'm applying a layer of the gel adhesive as base gel, and I'm going to be curing this for 30 seconds. Today I'm going to be using this gooseneck lamp that I purchased on Amazon, and I'm going to be leaving the link down below as well, guys, if you want to check it out. I'm going to start by applying a thick layer of the gel adhesive inside the nail tip. Because this gel is new to me, I'm gonna be doing adjustments until I get the proper amount. And as you can see here, I have a big bubble, so I have to add more towards the center. And this gel is thick, so I'm gonna be pushing it to the area that I need to feel it the most. And once I don't see any air bubbles and I see the gel moving forward to the free edge, I will flash cure it between 10 to 15 seconds. I'm going to complete applying all my nails, and I'm going to be curing my full hand for an extra minute under my bigger UV lamp. And here are all the nails all done. The next step is going to be buffing the shine from the nail tip. I ended up doing some Frenchies, but I forgot to record that part, guys. So right now I'm just gonna finish the nail design. I'm gonna be creating a marble with base gel, using it as a blooming gel because I don't have blooming gel. And then I'm gonna add some gold flake papers as well. I was trying a gold line around the Frenchies with this beautiful glitter, but then I changed my mind and I left them simple. What do you guys think? Do you like the line or just simple Frenchies? And this is the final result for today. These nails came out really cute and these nail tips are really nice. I can't wait to use the other ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and I'll see you on the next one.